Meaning of genetically.
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 Genetically. The term genetically refers to something that is inherited or caused by genes. Genes are the basic units of heredity that determine an organism's traits, such as physical appearance, behavior, and susceptibility to certain diseases. Genetic information is passed down from parents to offspring through the process of reproduction. Changes or mutations in genes can result in altered traits or genetic disorders. Understanding genetics and how it influences traits and diseases is crucial in fields such as medicine, agriculture, and evolutionary biology. Overall, genetics plays a significant role in shaping the characteristics of living organisms.